Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing our world. It's the ability of machines to learn and make decisions like humans do. This technology is no longer science fiction, it's here and now. AI is becoming part of our everyday lives, from the phones we use to the cars we drive. AI has the potential to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. It can analyze vast amounts of data to help us understand complex problems. It can automate tasks, making our lives easier and more efficient. As we explore the possibilities of AI, we unlock new frontiers of knowledge and innovation. This new era of intelligent machines is exciting and transformative. It's crucial to understand AI, its applications, and its implications for the future. Let's delve into the world of AI and see how it's shaping our present and shaping our future. Many of us interact with AI daily without even realizing it. Our smartphones use AI for facial recognition, language translation, and personalized recommendations. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa use AI to understand our commands and provide information. These technologies have become so commonplace that we often take them for granted. Smart homes are another example of AI in action. AI-powered thermostats learn our preferences and adjust the temperature accordingly, saving energy and money. Smart security systems use facial recognition to identify familiar faces and alert us to potential intruders. These applications of AI are making our homes safer, more comfortable, and more efficient. The convenience of these AI-powered devices is undeniable. They simplify our lives, streamline our daily routines, and provide us with new levels of comfort and security. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications to emerge, further blurring the line between science fiction and reality. AI is not just transforming our personal lives, it's also revolutionizing the way we work. Businesses across various industries are harnessing the power of AI to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer experiences. From manufacturing to finance, AI is changing the game. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots work alongside human workers, performing repetitive tasks with precision and speed. This collaboration boosts productivity and allows human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. In finance, AI algorithms analyze market trends and manage investments, making faster and more informed decisions than humans. Customer service is another area where AI is making a significant impact. Chatbots powered by AI can handle customer queries, provide instant support, and resolve issues quickly and efficiently. This frees up human agents to deal with more complex or sensitive customer interactions. The potential of AI in healthcare is immense, promising to revolutionize diagnostics, treatment, and patient care. AI algorithms can analyze medical images such as X-rays and MRIs with remarkable accuracy, aiding doctors in early disease detection. In drug discovery, AI is accelerating the process of developing new treatments by identifying promising drug candidates and predicting their effectiveness. Beyond diagnostics and treatment, AI is also improving accessibility for people with disabilities. AI-powered assistive technologies such as voice recognition software and smart prosthetics empower individuals with disabilities to live more independent and fulfilling lives. These technologies break down barriers and create a more inclusive world for everyone. The use of AI in healthcare is still in its early stages, but the possibilities are endless. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking applications emerge, leading to more accurate diagnoses, personalized treatments, and improved patient outcomes. Section 5. The efficiency factor: how AI streamlines our lives. One of the most significant benefits of AI is its ability to automate tasks, making our lives more efficient and less burdened by mundane routines. This efficiency extends to various aspects of our lives, from transportation to entertainment, freeing up our time and energy for more meaningful pursuits. Self-driving cars powered by AI are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They're becoming a reality. These vehicles can navigate roads, obey traffic laws, and transport passengers safely and efficiently without human intervention. This technology has the potential to reduce accidents, alleviate traffic congestion, and provide mobility solutions for those who cannot drive themselves. AI is also transforming the way we consume entertainment. Streaming services use AI algorithms to analyze our viewing habits and recommend movies and TV shows tailored to our preferences. This level of personalization enhances our entertainment experience and saves us from endless scrolling through countless options. Section 6. The ethical dilemma navigating the challenges of AI. While the benefits of AI are undeniable, it's crucial to acknowledge and address the ethical challenges it presents. One of the most significant concerns is the potential for job displacement. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's capable of automating tasks previously performed by humans, raising concerns about unemployment and economic inequality. Another ethical consideration is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. AI systems are trained on massive data sets, and if these data sets reflect existing societal biases, the AI algorithms themselves can perpetuate and even amplify these biases. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, particularly in sensitive areas such as loan applications, hiring processes, or even criminal justice. Privacy is another major concern in the age of AI. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of personal data to function effectively, and the collection, storage, and use of this data raise significant privacy concerns. It's essential to establish clear ethical guidelines and regulations regarding data privacy to ensure that AI technologies are developed and deployed responsibly and ethically. Section 7. A look back, a leap forward, the evolution of artificial intelligence. The concept of artificial intelligence has been around for centuries, but the field of AI, as we know it today, emerged in the mid-20th century. The term artificial intelligence was coined in 1956 at the Dartmouth Summer Research Project, considered the birthplace of AI as a scientific field. Early AI research focused on developing symbolic systems that could perform logical reasoning and problem-solving tasks. However, these early AI systems were limited by the computational power available at the time. The development of microprocessors and the exponential growth in computing power in the late 20th century paved the way for significant advancements in AI. The rise of machine learning, a type of AI that allows computers to learn from data without explicit programming, has revolutionized the field. Machine learning algorithms can analyze massive data sets to identify patterns and make predictions, enabling breakthroughs in areas such as image recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous systems. Section 8. The road ahead, embracing the future with AI. As we stand at the cusp of the AI revolution, the road ahead is filled with both challenges and opportunities. It's crucial to approach AI development and deployment with a focus on ethical considerations, ensuring that these technologies benefit humanity as a whole and do not exacerbate existing inequalities or create new ones. Education and collaboration are paramount in navigating the future of AI. We need to educate ourselves and future generations about AI, its potential benefits and its potential risks. Fostering collaboration between governments, industry leaders, researchers, and the public is crucial to ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly and ethically. The future of AI is not predetermined, it's a future we create together. By embracing a spirit of collaboration, innovation, and ethical awareness, we can harness the power of AI to create a brighter and more equitable future for all. Section 9. Conclusion: a universe of possibilities with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is no longer a figment of science fiction. It's a transformative force shaping our world today and holding the key to solving some of humanity's most pressing challenges. From healthcare to transportation, education to entertainment, AI is revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. As we venture further into the uncharted territory of artificial intelligence, it's crucial to proceed with a sense of wonder, responsibility, and collaboration. We must ensure that AI is developed and deployed ethically, addressing concerns about job displacement, bias, and privacy. By embracing the possibilities while mitigating the risks, we can unlock the true potential of AI to create a brighter and more equitable future for all humankind. The universe of possibilities with AI is vast and awe-inspiring, and it's up to us to explore it wisely and responsibly.